gonna head out in this blizzard or snowstorm and see if we can get some footage of some POV footage of this thing in the snow. It's not a lot of snow, but it's all right. I really wish it was a little bit more out, but oh well. Love the sound of this exhaust. But let's not waste any more time and get started. Man, these potholes. This thing is legit the best back roads driving car ever. Nice and comfortable in here. Little GTI just flew by. Jesus. Potholes around here are crazy. Wish I could show you guys those two. That was nuts. This is definitely worth keeping your electronic stability control on. It's a lot of ice. Damn, boy, let's do this. Like a little golf cart, just corners so nicely. The way that snow is coming in. It's so awesome. Oh my god, it's funny because like I've owned this already and I just keep driving it, but every single time I drive it I'm like, god dang, it's so much fun. There's just never enough road though. Just saw a Subi, wish I could run after that, but oh, that would have killed me. Be a decent person and let people go. You don't want to involve them in your nonsense. There we go. match from the downshifts. Love missing potholes. That's another plus. Now you can just kind of do a quick, like, you know what I mean? And it's nothing. You could just dodge potholes. No more slamming my wheel into something that could have been easily prevented. But unfortunately, my car is too wide and I wouldn't have been able to make it. In this instance, you could just, look at that one. Boop. Miss me with that. And it cruises. You can just ride out your nice gears, just nice and easy. Doesn't even need to be loud. Common courtesy. Let's start doing that. Let's do that. Yeah, that was some backspin there. Yeah, common courtesy. Let's start doing that as a challenge. Let's all just try not to be assholes anymore. I dare everybody to do that. I highly doubt anyone can. Everybody's just stuck in their ways now. Full of hate. This is a nice little storm. I like this. This feels nice. I definitely wish there was there was more snow on the ground, but this is good. I'll take it. It's very stable in the snow. Oh, damn, the feds. The feds! Alright, I'm all the way back here. So easy, easy, easy. Keep it down. Keep it down! Alright, good. He's all the way up there, so I'm good. I'll be long gone by the time he pulls over anywhere. Only reason why I'm concerned is because I don't have any front plates. I have back plates, but I really don't want to. I hate putting front plates on. Say no to front plates. Oh, shit, he's turning. Oh, he's turning for me. Oh, damn. Oh, damn, you went. Okay. Ha ha. I told you guys. Inconspicuous. No self-respecting police officer is gonna pull a little Audi over. They're assuming that I'm like a little old lady right now, so I'm good. I got my little old lady jacket on. Inconspicuous. All right, finally opened up. Let's go. Don't pull out, don't pull out, don't pull out, don't pull out. All right, yeah, definitely. That was a smarter thing to do. there, I thought that was another RS3. Well, those are cool too. Volvos are pretty fun if you find the right one. Saab too. All right, let's get it. That's 0 to 60. Golly, what is going on? And we are clear for takeoff. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh my God. This cop's everywhere. What is going on? I'm gonna go ahead and hide right here because it's safer for me. Look at that. Lesson 101, how to hide from police. So get next to the Mack truck. This is some Fast and Furious shit. Look at that, you see that? And then see that right there? Gone. Still feathering the throttle just because I'm still getting acclimated to the car and I don't really want to slide this thing potentially. I don't know what the limits are. Okay. Sorry for the abrupt ending, but my GoPro actually ran out of memory space. So with that said, please let me know in the comment section if you guys are enjoying these POV videos. I'll definitely keep doing them if that is the case. Had a fun time doing this one. Looking forward to doing more with this car. Excited. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace.